Welcome back sa ating channel mga Lodi. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Sa video na to pag-uusapan natin ang sikat at bigating boksingero, ang dating junior middleweight world champion ay minaliit at winarni nga ng ating pambansang kamao na si Senador Manny Pacquiao. Tama nga ba talagang maliitin nila ang mga Pinoy? Kung sa unang tingin pa lang kasi ay para silang nakatitig sa librong walang cover. Maisip kagad nila na wala itong maibubuga sapagat tahimik lang at napaka mapagkumbaba ng ating pabansang kamao. Pero bago ko ituloy ang video na to, kung ngayon ka palang napadpad sa channel na to, huwag mong kalimutang mag-subscribe at pindutin mo na rin ang notification bell para lagi ka ma-notify sa ating mga bagong uploads. At ang pinaka-importante sa lahat ay lagi kang updated sa mga bagong pangyayari sa boxing. Ang dating junior middleweight world champion at two-time light middleweight world champion at ang huling may hawak ng undisputed title sa light middleweight na si Winky Wright ay walang bilib sa ating pambansang kamao. Bagkus binalaanan niya pa ito na wag daw umanong maglalapit at iwasan niya makipagsagupaan sa Argentinian professional boxer na si Lucas Matthysse. Nangyari nga noong July 15, 2018 dito sa Pinas at July 14 naman sa United Kingdom at Amerika. Nag-bounce back ang ating pambansang kamao mula sa pagkatalo nito kay Jeff Horn sa pamamagitan ng pag-challenge niya kay Matthysse para sa WBA regular welterweight sa Malaysia. Iniri ito via live ng Box Nation. Bago pa man ng laban, si Winky Wright ay kasalukuyan pang namamayagpag sa Boxing Hall of Fame ay nagbigay ng simpleng payo kay Manny Pacquiao para sa paparating na laban. Sinabi niya ito sa Ropes Boxing Radio. Sino man ang may taglay na good punch ay may kanya-kanyang tsansa. Kaya nga tinawag itong puncher's chance. Kung sakaling si Pacquiao ay mabibilis pa ang mga paa, kaya niya pang kumilos papasok at palabas katulad noong nasa prime pa siya. Mahirap talaga siyang talunin. Ito ang paliwanag ng dating undisputed American boxer. Samantalang ang Argentinian bomber naman na si Lucas Matthysse ay may knockout ratio na 82%. Ang siyam sa 10 huling laban nito ay hindi inabutan ng final bell. Kaya masasabi talaga nating ang fighting machine ay may taglay pa rin nakakatakot na lakas. Ang pinakamalupit pa sa lahat, nabanggit din ng coach ni Matthysse na si Joel Diaz. Sinubukan umano nilang gayahin ang mga tactics na ginamit ni Juan Manuel Marquez, ang Meksikanong nagpatulog kay Manny Pacquiao noong taong 2012 sa ika-4 na round ng kanilang huling laban ng kanilang epic rivalry. Hindi napansin ni Manny ang humahagupit na kamao ni Marquez, dahilan ito upang makatulog ang ating pambansang kamao. Pahabol pa, pinag-aralan daw nilang mabuti ang pag-timing sa mga galawan ng ating pambansang kamao. Hindi nila alam mula noong nangyari ang pagkatalo ni Manny sa mga kamay ni Marquez. Dito na siya mas lalo pang maingat sa kanyang performance. Ang ating pambansang kamao at Filipino star ay hindi na nakapagtala ng stoppage victory mula taong 2009. Sunod-sunod na unanimous decision ang mga panalo niya. Pahabol pa ni Winky Wright. Kung tatayo-tayo lang siya dyan at maghihintay ng mga suntok ni Matthysse. Si Matthysse ay may taglay na malalakas na suntok na pwede sa nitong tapusin. Subalit nung napanood na ni Winky Wright ang laban ng dalawa.
Nice shot there, right on the jaw.
Second one settled in more, and now claims that he is a true welterweight now in every sense of the word.
Down here, you see Manny Pacquiao using his right hook to slide that left uppercut right through the guard of Matthysse. He'd been using that right hand the first 2 rounds, set Matthysse up perfectly. He ducks to his left, eats that uppercut. It seems that. There you go. Now you're seeing Matthysse get a little bit looser. It seems like Matthysse is.
Ooh, and a left hand, but and there's a right hand. Finally, Matthysse finding some success. The best round so far for Matthysse. Not sure he won it. And he takes the knee.
Right hook off of Manny's jab. Lands the jab there. Flicks another jab and wings a right hook over the top. Slicing right hook seemed to just nick Matthysse under the eye.
One more look here.
Okay. Yeah, it's shot.
Knockout to get a win type of territory. Entering round 6 here, scheduled for welterweight championship of the world on the line.
Blow.
And a
Very
low blow.
Very low.
For the distance, and he looks like he's going to be right, but it may not be him that gets the win.
Right hook there again. Nice counter by Manny Pacquiao.
You can sense the, I don't know if it's fear, but the concern. Everything coming up roses so far for Pac-Man.
Mark has that faithful fourth time before he got knocked out. Hand. Matthysse missed and reach.
Matthysse caught him. He handled it very well, and it's still coming forward.
Defense is as good as it is. He's very, very good at changing his range.
And now, just like he did in the last round, Matthysse starting to land.
Ooh, good right hook again. And a left hook. And a body shot as well.
Couple jabs there for Matthysse. Still trying to find his rhythm. 6 every round, which includes 2 knockdowns. Nice little Matthysse, what I was about to say, is seemingly starting to get back in this fight with this another uppercut.
That was the one thing about the Jeff Horn fight. He showed good footwork. He showed boxing skills. Being off today because he's looking very strong in there. Oh.
And Matthysse down for the 3rd time.
Oh, the mouthpiece is out.
In the fighters, and after this performance, who's going to say no?
I think we'll see exactly what we've been seeing all night. Manny Pacquiao using the right jab. Lucas Matthysse dipping forward into his right into the left uppercut, timed perfectly by Manny Pacquiao. And see there, that's where he spit out that mouthpiece, and that's exactly what Kenny Bayless said. This fight's over. So he's hold the right hook, and then the left hook.
And it doesn't come out right away. It wasn't because of the punch. He just spits it out.
There it is. Yep, at 5, he spit it out. And Kenny Bayless, as soon as he spit it out, he said this fight's over. Again, walking Matthysse into that left hand, and he threw it right at the middle. It wasn't the hardest shot that he got hit with tonight, but it was right on the money.
Subalit nung napanood na ni Winky Wright ang laban ng dalawa, wala na siyang ibang masabi kundi it's a good fight, it's a good fight. Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video ngayon mga Lodi. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Shoutout nga pala kay Lindungan Putian, Manny IOA Ginawat, Duan Andal, Edelberto Nogra, Marbek Merabueno, security guard sa Cebuana, Mandaluyong, at pati na rin sa kanilang supervisor na si Renato de la Cruz Jr. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat dyan. Ingat po tayong lahat and God bless.